Hi lovelies, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So guys, I'm on a 6 months hair growth challenge, and in that 6 months I'll be making mini braids. Okay, so guys, this is the second part of the 6 months mini braids hair growth challenge, and each part lasts for 2 months. So I'm done with 2 months, and this is the second part, which is also going to last for 2 months. So I've already washed, deep conditioned and moisturized my hair, so let's go ahead and take it out and refresh the front. These braids are just 1 month old, and as you can see, it has become very rough and frizzy. So I want to just redo the front section of the braids. Normally I would just redo it and turn them into braids, but this time around I'm going to be making cornrows at the front section, because I found out that my edges are suffering, like my edges are pulling off due to I always pack my braids together. So I think turning them into tiny cornrows at the front will help release the tension. Okay, so that is what I'll be doing. I'll be turning this front part into cornrows to minimize the tension is having on my edges. So right now this is me making the cornrows. And guys, if you really want to grow out your hair, try and go on a mini braids hair growth challenge or even mini twist hair growth challenge. It is going to help you retain so much length. Your hair is going to get fuller and longer by the end of the hair growth challenge that you'll be doing. You may do it for 3 months or 6 months, depending on how long you can go. Okay, but I guarantee you that you're going to see positive changes on your natural hair. So guys, I'll leave you all to watch to the end of this video. And if you're just clicking on my video for the first time, if you're just seeing this face for the first time, please do where to click on that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Are you on a hair growth challenge? Let me know in the comment section. How is it going? I hope you are seeing positive results. Let us all know in the comments. Okay. So lovelies, right now I'm done with doing the cornrows, and as you can see, the back side is very rough and old, but I'm still going to keep it for a whole month. That is how serious I am about growing out my hair in this 2025. So leaving my hair alone in mini braids for long doesn't mean I'm keeping my hair dainty. I wash my hair every 2 weeks, I deep condition my hair, I moisturize my hair, all in those mini braids, so my hair is not dainty. Leave your hair alone for a long time doesn't mean you should keep them dainty. Bye.